how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone. Now, Google Photos is actually quite confusing. It will show you the photos that are backed up to Google Photos itself, but it's also showing you the photos that are on your Photos application, and you don't know which of these are backed up and which of these aren't. Now, by the way to distinguish between a backed up and a non-backed up photo is that a non-backed up photo will not have any icons next to these photos, but a backed up photo that has been backed up to Google Photos will have this cloud-like icon, as you can see right here, next to a particular photo or a video in this case. But if you want to do it the safe way, then what I would recommend you do is that you simply open your browser where your Google account is logged in, and you want to simply go to photos.google.com. So I'll just go to photos.google.com, which is Google Photos web version. Now, because this is a web version, it does not have access to your gallery, which means it is only going to show you the photos that have been backed up to your Google account. Now, if you go over here, you can see, and you can try to change the Google account as well if you want to, and you'll see all the photos backed up to your Google account, but not the ones that are on your device's gallery. So now it is completely safe for you to go ahead and then delete those photos and videos if you like, without them having to delete from your phone. This way you can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.